Hello Miracle Kids! Let's paint 1 to 0 and 8 to Z. But before that, let's learn colors name. Green color, silver color, orange color, yellow color, red color, brown color, violet color, parrot green color. Let's start paint. Let's get started. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 0. A for apple. B for bat. C for carrot. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for fish. G for gun. H for helicopter. I for ink. J for jump. K for kite. L for light. M for moon. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pigeon. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for top. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. You have to practice this every day and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.